Hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. So I think I am audible. If someone is having any trouble or any issue with voice in the chat box. So before starting the session, let's see one announcement. So as we had already started a Salesforce Administrator free live workshop that is of 40 days. If anyone is interested, feel free to get into our touch. This Salesforce Administrator sessions are running from 11th of September and it will goes on up to 26th of October. So it's all coming around 40 days of Salesforce Administrator classes and the time will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. The candidates who are interested to attend this workshop, they have to drop a mail to salesforcenetwork@gmail.com. We are providing daily recordings. It is available on Salesforce Network YouTube channel. So looking forward for the positive response. So today's topic is document. We are going to see what is document and why it is created by Salesforce, given to us, what the things it is going to hold, all related to document we are going to see. So document, it is a standard object created by Salesforce to store documents, files, images, logos, notepad files, whatever the things we needed, that all the things we can put it into document. So documents are of two types, that is internal use only. So the document what we are going to save in internal, that can be shared with only internal users and the content of this file is not visible directly. We need to open it manually. So there are two types of document. First is internal and second is external. So external content of this file will be visible directly. This can be shared with internal as well as external users. So some points we have to remember related to documents, that is normal document size is 5 MB and 20 KB as logo. We can use these items when creating an email template, or logo is going to be used as our company logo. Document files are stored to a folder. So any document we are going to upload, that is going to be available in one folder. That will also we are going to see how to create. My personal documents is a standard folder created by Salesforce. Any document we create will be saved to a folder. So these are the points what we have to remember. So for login into Salesforce, we need to provide login.salesforce.com in the URL, And in the username we have to provide our username what we had given at the time of creation of account, and after that we had created our password as well, so that we need to provide, and click on login button. So by default it is redirecting to lightning view. So in Salesforce there is two view, one is classic view and one is lightning view. Yesterday we had seen the navigation of lightning view, how to search for a particular navigation that we had seen yesterday. So there are three major blocks, like first one is administration, second one is platform tools, and the last one is settings. So before creating the document, let's see what is classic view. So clicking on view profile, here we are seeing under options there is a button switch to Salesforce Classic, and there is a note, meet the switcher, use this link to switch between Salesforce Classic and Lightning experience whenever you want. So let's see how the view is coming for Salesforce Classic. Click on this. So by clicking on switch to Salesforce Classic, it is redirecting to us in classic mode. So this is the view what we are seeing right now. This is classic view. So at the left side we are seeing the Salesforce logo, and beside that we are also seeing the logo of current version. Current release version is there. So what the current release is going on, 24, that is coming up. Then there is a search option. So if anything we need to search from this organization, we have to put into the search box and click on search button. Then at the right middle we are seeing switch to lightning experience. So being on Salesforce Classic view, if we need to switch to lightning experience, we have to click here only. So beside this we are seeing the user menu, and there is a drop down. So after clicking the drop down we are seeing my profile, my setting, developer console. So developer console is for writing the code or for development purpose. So Salesforce developer are using this developer console. Switch to lightning experience. Here also we are getting the option to switch to lightning experience. Then there is a logout button. After that we are seeing setup, as we were seeing in the lightning experience. Beside that there is a help. Beside that there is a drop down app menu. So if I am clicking on this particular drop down, so it is also displaying all the apps what we had seen in the lightning experience. In the app launcher at the left side there was 9 dots are coming. So in this app menu we are seeing sales app, service app, marketing CRM classic, app launcher, community, site.com, Salesforce chatter, all tabs, app exchange, developer community, trailblazer community. So this too is again important thing. Developer community is for if someone needs some help or someone wants to help, then they can go with developer community. They can answer or they can post the question. App exchange is the place that we can relate from our any Android mobile or iOS mobile, what we are seeing in the Play Store, the same thing we can relate from App Exchange. So if I am clicking on App Exchange, then here also we are getting so many applications. So if I am clicking on App Exchange, it is redirecting to a next URL, appexchange.salesforce.com. Here again it is saying that I have to sign up or I can log in. If I have the credentials of our developer account, developer edition, I can go with login. So what is the purpose of this? Sponsored solutions. So these many apps are coming, and what for what purpose? Sales productivity. This is for accounting on Salesforce, so finance and accounting. This is for survey, so customer service and marketing. Trending apps are there, so for activity, task and event components, it is we can use this. Connected manufacturing, so we can go with this. So these are the apps. Some of them are paid and some of them are free to use. So again coming back to our classic view. So at the right side we are seeing summer 24 for developers. So this is the current release. Then we are seeing the menu bar, home, chatter, libraries, content, subscription, and there is a plus symbol. If all we need to see all the tabs, we need to click on sub plus symbol. So then we are seeing create new, recent items, and recycle bin. And if I am scrolling, so then I am seeing post, file, new event, and in the more there is new task, contact, log a call, new opportunity, new case, new lead, link, poll, questions. So we can customize as per our convenient way. Then we are seeing calendar, then my task, then items to approve. So this is like home page. If someone is in the working environment, then in the calendar he is seeing what the schedule are there for that particular day, what the events are there, what the meetings are there. So all the details are coming over here. What the task he or she have to do, that all the tasks are coming here. If something is for approval, then that all things are coming over here. We will see this one by one. Again, if I want to switch to any application, simply I have to click on the drop down and choose as per our convenient application. So clicking on sales application. So sales application is coming like this: home, chatter, campaigns, lead, account, contact, opportunity, forecast, contracts, and so many objects are there. So here uh, we have to create a document. So how we are able to create the document? Just click on plus symbol, scroll down. So these all are objects, and these are standard objects created by Salesforce and given to us. So here we are finding documents. We have to click here on documents. So again, what we have to do? So all the attendees have to do this assignment. You have to create a document folder by the name EMS folder, and you have to create a document by the name EMS logo. EMS stands for Employee Management System, and for the coming sessions we are going to relate this logo with the application. So most probably tomorrow we are going to create a application in Salesforce. So in that application we are going to use this logo. How to came here means how we are getting the document. Again I am going so if someone is on home tab or anywhere, he or she have to click on plus symbol in all tabs. Just scroll down. You will be finding documents. This, click on this. So documents, home, enter keywords to find matching documents. If we need to find the documents, so simply we have to put our document name and find document. We have to click. It will display our document. So document folders. This is the folder name, my documents folder. It is created by Salesforce and given to us. Also, we can create our own folder by clicking on create new folder. So if I am clicking on drop down, there is no any folders. So only the folder for now it is available my personal document. And if I am clicking on go button, so we are not finding anything in this document folder, as this account is new, we had created newly, so there is no document at all. So as per our assignment, we have to create a folder by the name Employee Management System folder. So how to create the folder? Simply we have to click on create new folder. Here all the details we have to provide. So folder, edit, save and cancel button is there. Document folder label. So label would be EMS folder. Folder unique name. Simply we have to click, we have to press the tab button. It's by default, it's taking EMS underscore folder. So in the unique name, Salesforce is already putting underscore because space is not allowed here. Public folder access. So what the access we are going to provide for this folder, that is read only or read write. Read only means what? If we are choosing read only, then this folder will be only read only. Anyone can't edit or write anything with this folder. And if we are choosing read write, then we can change as per our convenient way. So next, this folder is accessible by all users. If we are choosing this radio button, this folder is hidden for all users. So if we are going with this, it is hidden by all the users. And if this folder is accessible only by the following users, so in that case we have to search for the user here, public group, rules and internal subordinates. If we are choosing any one of them, we have to find the name of that particular, click on find, then we have to choose that particular name, click on add, and then we are going to save. For now we are not going to do this because it's not value for now. For now I am going to take first radio button I am selecting. This folder is accessible by all users. So any user from the organization can access this folder. So again, coming from the starting, we have to provide the document folder name here. So in our case, EMS folder, and unique name, we have to press tab. Automatically it will add the underscore. Then we have to give the access for that particular folder, public folder access. So it will be read only or read write. We are going with read write. And this folder is accessible by all users. This radio button we had selected. So click on save button. So EMS folder has been created. So again, if I am going back, or if I am clicking on plus symbol, just going to again documents. So now we are able to see that employee management system folder is coming up here. Earlier there was only one folder, my personal documents. So in both the folders there is nothing. But as per our assignment, we have to upload here a logo of employee management system. So we have to click on new document to upload anything. So upload new document, enter details, document name. As per the assignment, we have to provide here EMS logo, and simply we have to press tab from the keyboard. Then next option is indicate document is internal. So if I am clicking this one, so it is indicating the document viewers should not share the file outside of the organization. So from this organization, people can't share to any other organization. Externally available image. So we are going with this option. The folder, this employee management system logo is going to store in EMS folder. If we want to change the folder name from here, we can do as well. But we are going with this folder only. Here description we can provide. Then keywords. In the next one, select the file. So enter the path of the file or click browser or click browse to find the file. Choose file. So we have to provide the location. So in the documents there is EMS And if I want to view this EMS logo, let's see. So this logo we are going to upload EMS. Selecting this EMS and clicking on open. So it is getting selected EMS, and is the format is PNG. We can also provide the URL also here. So for now we are going with this option only. Click the save button to save the file. We can use any browser. To upload the file, we simply have to click on choose file. It is we have to give the location of that particular file. So it is in the document EMS. Simply we have to click on open. It had taken the EMS logo from here, and for the second option, create a reference link to the file. Enter a file location that other can access. So that URL must be accessible by all, and here we have to provide the path or URL for the reference. So if we are putting from the JavaScript library files, image file, so we have to put here the path of that particular Java library file. So directly it can fetch from the live also, means JavaScript library, or from the system as well. So click on save button. It is uploading and it's done. So document name is EMS logo. Unique name it's all automatically it had taken. We had chosen externally. Folder is EMS folder. Author is owner name. Extension was PNG and type was image or PNG. File size is 9 KB. So again coming back to our documents. So we are able to see our document name here, EMS logo. And if I am choosing the first folder, my personal document, there is no document, so it is not displaying any document. In the EMS folder, what we had created, in this folder we had uploaded a image, EMS logo, that is coming up. The details are also coming, action, edit. We can edit this particular document or logo. We can delete, we can view, or we can email this logo as well. So this is the name of this particular document. We had not given any description, it's not coming. But in the real time when we are working for the clients, we have to provide the description, so that as we know that why we had created this document, why we had uploaded this logo, as per the client discussion we know that, but after leaving that particular organization, the next developer or administrator is getting recruited in that particular company, and he or she is going to work for that particular client. So for him it is critical to understand that for what purpose this logo was created or uploaded. So if we are giving the description in the real time when we are working in a company, then it is easy to understand for us also, like we are also going to work with different clients. If someone is not mentioning or not putting the description, we are also not getting that for what purpose this logo was uploaded. So for the best practice, we have to provide this all the details. File size is 9 KB. Last modified means today only. Type is PNG, and author who had created this particular logo or uploaded this logo, that author name is coming. So again, if I am switching to lightning experience, so we had moved into our lightning experience. By simply clicking on switch to lightning experience, we are switching to this mode. Or if again I want to be in classic view, simply we have to click on switch to Salesforce Classic. I am redirecting with that view. So nowadays classic view is not too much required. All the real-time projects are working with lightning experience. So we are doing most more and more hands-on lightning experience. So that's it for today's session. We had created a document folder, and we had created a image file also, or logo we had uploaded.